Hi, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 top tips on how to get self-portraiture poses. So let's get started. So the first pose will be the no face pose, and I just want to share with you how you can achieve this pose. So you can do this a variety of different ways. You can face away from the camera completely to cover your face, or you can obstruct your face with an object and your hands like I'm doing here. So I've always wanted to try this pose out, and it's such a creative idea. And how you can do this, you can lay the mirror on the floor or lay on top of it, so you get a really different kind of look. Or what I'm doing is I'm going to have the mirror facing upright and have the camera behind me, so you can get this kind of result. Okay, so this one here can be really great if you just want to get creative or do a Christmassy inspired shoot. Fairy lights are always a great way to go. And how I'm doing this, I'll be dropping the fairy lights around me, like so, to try and get some unique poses. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain all night. I close my eyes and lightning strikes, so I won't sleep till I get it right. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain all night. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and if you got value out of this video or learned something new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos just like this one. And if you didn't know, this video was a collaboration with Adriana Marteva Photography, and if you click here, this will go to her channel, and if you click here, this will go to the video where you can see the type of poses that she came up with.